Yeah, this is starting to look good. I want to see this break, 58113. Let's see here, see if we could break it, 581. Let's see us break that low. Yeah, solid selling pressure here in the morning. Very good selling pressure. Sellers holding open print, PDL on here on SPY. Q's coming in. Looks like we're breaking. Hold up, not there just yet. I really want to see that that bearish, those sellers take control here. It's definitely an important level. You can see we're getting a lot of like volatility around this level right here. A lot of volatility here. All right, I'm gonna hop in this. All right, I'm hopping in a short play, and my stop is going to be right here at 48167. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful sell-off right there. Tons of selling pressure coming in. Very nice. Very nice. It's again using that GBI, right? So now I'm looking for sellers to hold this, right? We're playing into low of day. There's a lot of things that can happen. But my stop's going to be right here at 48171. 48171. Risking about 50 cents here on QQQ. See if this bearish scenario will play out. That 1 hour is definitely giving me some strong bearish signals here. That's it. We've identified our edge. We let the market do the rest. QQQ moves very fast. Very fast. So, you know, just play that accordingly. Quick little recap, right, of why we entered this trade. You can see here on QQQ, we had this level rejected up here in the morning. End of day was rejected very well. We then took a short play on SPY off open print. It's a great short play. And now we came over to Qs. We've seen that cloud respected very well. Look at the 2-minute 50 EMA, respected very well. So now I'm looking for sellers to continue trend to the downside here. Looking to target previous PDH, which is 47889. Obviously, we'll be taking profits in between then. We got a couple levels here. First target would be 480. Yeah, for first target's right there, 480.46. Kind of close, which is Q's previous day low. I want to see sellers continue to hold these previous candles, right? 48150 is definitely an important one. I don't want sellers to lose that. But if they do, we'll go from there. We're playing off this GBI right here, so let's highlight it so that we have that clarity. Just got a pretty nice retest into it. So now I'm looking for sellers to continue to hold it, right? I want to see sellers hold that retest and get us a move down, right? We did break low of day, I believe, by like a penny. So let's see if sellers can hold that. And then I'll end up bumping my stop down to further hold managed risk. All see. All right, looks like my Wi-Fi is literally. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. Come on. There's no way. Oh my god. Wi-Fi just completely ate shit. Oh man, that's so crazy. Beautiful move right there, guys. Look at that sell-off. Sorry about that. My Wi-Fi was just giving me some technical difficulties. Got our first move there into previous day low. You see where we're at here. That's definitely a scale. Up 26% here. I'm going to scale 2 off that. And then I'm going to let the rest play out. Let's see here if we can get a move here into a 47889. Stop is going to be bumped up to 48113. Right? This is our new GBI. Our stop is going to be at 48127. Very nice sell-off here. We're coming into PDL though, so previous day low is it's a very important level. But we scaled out, we took some profit. That way we are pretty much in a stress-free trade. Really like that 5-minute time frame. Really like that 5-minute time frame. Up 29% here on Qs. See, that's what I'm talking about. QQQ pays very quickly. Literally, you know, a 30% ROI on one 5-minute candle is extremely good. Let's see, the range on that was 71 cents. Now we're starting to get heavy selling. Just looking to make sure I'm not missing any like gaps or, you know, areas that could pop up. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice. Up 38%. That might be another scale. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to see how this plays out. Let's see. Anyone in the chat on this? Let's see here. Who's in the chat? Oh, Devo's literally in this. We hopped in shorts at 48113. Great play, Debo. Yeah, very, very nice short play right there. Let's see, 36%. Like this trend. I love that entry there. I love here how we stayed real patient. We let price come back up into, what is this? This open print pre-market low area. And then sellers took control of that 50 EMA. On the 2-minute, we identified the GBI, which is this guy right here. We entered short. Boom. Got a really nice move into PDL. We took some profit. And now we're letting the rest play out. Yeah, looks good. I like it. I'm going to monitor with that 5-minute time frame. Second trade of the day. See if we can wrap this up. Call it a good Friday. Really like that retest of PDL. Once again, stops bumped up to entry here at 48113. If price can break 48113, there's no point in staying in this trade, if you ask me. It's not worth risking, like, you know, we're playing, and that's what critical levels do for me. They really help me with, like, what is it? Like, you know, managing the story, right? Because, you know, if we're playing a short play here into PDL, right? I want to see bearish structure. I want to see that GBI hold. I want to see the red cloud hold, right? Like, if any of that changes, that's a pretty clear indication that the conditions are shifting and the probability of a bullish scenario increases while that happens, right? So that's how I look at it. And like right now, we're getting a pullback, right? Like, oh my God, am I gonna freak out? No. Instead, I'm gonna be like, dude, look at the 5-minute time frame. We're pretty extended from the 9D EMA. It really only makes sense to get a pullback, right? Because 9 times out of 10, you are going to get the pullback into the moving average, right? Once again, this is what the moving average does for me. It helps me so much with not overthinking, freaking out, and properly gauging my exit plan, right? Because obviously, if I'm very extended from that 9 DEMA, maybe I should book all profit, right? Like, but if I'm not that extended, like we are in this scenario, it's for me. I've already sold 2 contracts. I'm okay, right, with seeing how that plays out, right? And with that mentality, you maintain the 50-50 perspective. You maintain the bullish and bearish scenario. Oh, this looks beautiful. We break the low of that. I'm gonna add into this. Give me that GBI right there, and I'm definitely gonna add into this. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks beautiful. Not there yet. Not there yet. There we go. About to add into this. Let's see. We got 30. We're at 33% here on Qs. Boom. That's it, guys. Literally playing the moving averages, playing the market structure, playing the trend, right? We're not expecting the reversal. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I really like that 5-minute time frame. That looks really good. Let's see here. Let's get that. I'm just gonna buy if this does happen. I'm gonna go with the same strike. Which I'm in the 481 puts here on Qs. So if this does happen, I'm just gonna. Actually, it really only I can't buy the same strike because they're almost $200. There it goes. All right, let's see. So we just broke that bottom. So I'm gonna put on 2 more cons. Hold on. Yeah, putting on 2 more cons here. All right, cool. It's filled. Now my stop on all my contracts is going to be tight, guys. It's going to be here at 480, 46. Let's get this nice push down here. Let's get this nice push down here. Those first cons, we were up. Right now, we are up, let's see, 44%. Up 44% here. Let her play. Let her do her thing. Really nice structure right there. Took profits in a stress-free trade. All trades are stress-free. Let's see what that 1 hour is starting to look like here. coming into 1 hour 50 here on QQQ. Did not. It's okay. We're just gonna let her play out. We're gonna let her play out. We got a really tight stop. That tight stop I'm talking about is on the new contracts I just hopped in, right? So I just got in the 480 puts as well as the 481s. So if we break above PDL, I'm gonna get out of those. About up 51% on my initial entry. I'm gonna scale out a little bit on that. Yeah, let me scale out a little bit on those, lock that in. So then I currently have I have three more contracts of the 481s and then 2 contracts of the 480s. Once again, just protecting yourself, right? Look at that, nice, great trading, guys. Like, phenomenal job today, staying patient. We caught that first trade here on SPY. What was that? Off open print. Oh yeah, breaking that is very bearish. So our first initial trade here was off open print. Took the market short into 56657. And then we let's whip out the 2-minute here so we can walk through them. Our first trade here on the live was right here on this candle. Took the market short and caught a beautiful move into this level. And now we are currently, so this was trade number 1 to the downside. Bam. So now trade number 2, we hopped in this candle, right, on QQQ and make it bigger. There we go. Right here on this candle. This green candle, we hopped in short. Or I'm sorry, this candle, when we wiped the bottom of that green candle out, we hopped in short. Our stop was above that green candle. Now we're getting a very nice move to the downside. I'm watching to see what this retest, this GBI looks like. My stop on all my contracts is above PDL. Because remember, so I'm up 43% on these QQQ puts, right? Those are the first ones. So I don't want to get stupid here and turn full retard mode on and give all that back just so I can stay in a trade or be right. See, like, that's so important, guys. Like, when it comes in terms of consistency, when you're making money, you want to be able to protect it, yet give it room to breathe, right? So like, I'm willing to put my stop right there above PDL, which will still lock in a 20% win, right? And I'm also, you basically say I'm risking 20% to see if we can make that, 70 to 80% return, right? And that's how I like to look at it. Right? But we're not gonna, risk it all on this, right? It's a simple trade. We take these every single day. You know what I'm saying? You don't need a perfect trade today to feel good about yourself, right? Like, just play your returns properly, right? It's a superpower. And any fake out below PDL is very bullish. So I want to make sure I'm managing this the right way here. See if we can get another GBI. What's the low? 47976. Yeah, stop loss right here. like seeing sellers show up right here at that GBI retest, right? That green bar right there that was ignored. I like seeing sellers show up here. This is where buyers usually get wiped. Play that market imbalance to the downside. Make sure. Yeah. Break that low. Let's break that low of day. Look at that, dude. Come on. 47976. That's what we want to break. Definitely getting a little battle right there. Oh, there we go. Let's hold it. Hold it. Hold it. What's the 5 minute look like? Oh yeah. So look, we're holding 90 EMA here on the 5 minute. It's definitely a pretty healthy trend to the downside. There we go. Come on, let's break it. Breaker 1-9. We got, let's see. Might get a bit of consolidation right here. There it goes. She's trying. She's trying. Buyers aren't. It's the battle. You know what I mean? It's the battle. It's playing the trend. Very smooth. Very good second trade. We stayed calm. We weren't like, overthinking it. We just played the story. Sometimes it helps too, guys. Like, I trade 10 times better on these lives, and I'm pretty sure it's because I walk myself through everything. So if price comes up to 580.20, probably gonna move my stop. It's like right there. I want to keep it kind of tight. Don't like giving any I don't like giving money back that I don't need to, right? So our stop's gonna be at 480.20. Bam. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, 56%. Very nice. There it goes. Very nice. That's 63%. Very nice. I'm going to do a little scale right there, guys. might be the liquidity sweep to the buy side there. So now my stop's going to be on all contracts here at 480.10. Right there. Nah, 480. 480 is good. Stop's going to be right here. Price does not need to go above 480 for me to stay in this trade. Just going to play this trend here, capture that market imbalance here, see if we can get it. Look at that. Look at that. Very beautiful. Oh man, look at that. Unreal. That was beautiful, guys. All right, that right there is another scale for me. Right. Hold on. Right now. Okay, so I'm up 80% on this last contract. That add-in made us another 34% ROI. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Great job today, guys. Caught 2 beautiful trades. I still got a runner on this, but before this session ends here, I got like 3 more minutes. Oh, look at it. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, SPY is doing exactly what we talked about this morning. Previous all-time high is definitely a target. All right, we're coming into our take profit here at 478.89, up 85%. 85. Oh, beautiful trade on Qs. That was beautiful. All right, so quick breakdown here of 2 trades for this session wraps up. First trade was right here. Oh, look at the selling. Let's break it. Come on. There it goes. Look at that. Bam. Coming right there into target. All right, so first trade was off open print, right? Price respected that 50. We had a bearish scenario, which was selling pressure at PDL at open print. Took the market short there on SPY, right there on that 956 candle. Stop loss was above open print. Oh, bro, look at the selling, dude. This is crazy. Up 93%, 97%. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. And then our second trade was over here on QQQ. Oh, and we're still in it, and it's just sinking. Great. Look at that, dude. Unreal. 100. And we're up 115%. Oh, here we go. Next target's 47778. See if we can get it. SPY's coming into all-time high. I'm actually about to take profit. Let's see. Get a little more here. A little more. Yep, there it goes. Sink. All right, and then our second trade on Qs is off this GBI, right? We got in the market short once we broke the bottom of it. We broke the bottom of 480.73. We hopped in short. Our stop was right there above that GBI at 48126. And then we've just been playing the trend all the way down here, right? We got that another beautiful GBI. And then we got another GBI right here where we added in